Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing. We still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
Birthday girl's home!
Oh, welcome home, birthday girl Evie.
It was my birthday. I was 5 years old today. And after school, it was time for a family celebration.
Evie, look at all these cards that arrived for you in the post.
Wow!
You're not allowed to open them yet. First, I want you to follow me.
Oh.
Come and see your decorations. And Evie, we've got a special surprise for you.
Ta-da!
Piñata.
Yeah.
I love piñata.
We know you do, and this is a special piñata.
Yeah, it's a doggy piñata full of treats for you and also some biscuits for Waffle.
Biscuits? Oh, yeah. Dog biscuits.
The piñata's for later, but you can open your present from Waffle and Doug now if you like.
Oh, yeah, it's upstairs. I'll get it.
I mean, we'll get it.
Come on, Waffle.
Food.
Waffle.
Mum, I love birthdays.
Me too.
Me three.
Whoa.
Can I help you?
Help.
You alright? Yeah.
What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Happy birthday, Evie.
Open it.
Ready? Is this my old doll's house? Turned into a doggy playhouse. Yeah. Go on, open the door. Ready? Woof woof. It's Waffle. And,
It's us.
Aww. It's the Brooklyn Bell Doggy Playhouse. Wow, I love it. It's the best present ever. I love my toy trolley too. Thank you.
I'm so pleased. Look, it's even got a music player like we have in the kitchen.
Yeah. And it works as well.
Yeah. I think that's coming from next door.
What was that?
I don't know, but it sounded fun.
Yeah, I like this tune. It's getting me in the party mood. Yeah.
Sounds like Mrs Hobbs is in the birthday party mood too. We should invite her to come round and celebrate with us.
Okay then.
Yeah.
I'll come too.
Dad, we have a door.
Oh yeah, Doug, good idea.
Come on.
I'll use our door instead.
Evie, come down.
Okay.
We're going to Mrs Hobbs' house to invite her to celebrate your birthday.
Thank you, Mum. I'm coming now. A birthday card that had been caught in our letterbox fell to the floor. I didn't see it, but Waffle, our Wonderdog, did.
Mum, Dad, hurry. Huh. Oh. Another card. Huh? Hot Bobs.
Would you mind just turning the music down, please? The music, Mrs Hobbs!
There's no need to shout, Jess.
Sorry.
Nice outfit, Mrs Hobbs. Thanks, Douglas. I took Jess's advice and decided to get a new hobby. Roller skating. The disco music helps to get me going.
Hobbsy wobbly.
Yes, I am a bit wobbly on the roller skates, but I'm hoping to get used to them.
Oh, Mrs Hobbs.
I really do need help.
Yes.
Oh.
Well, we might have just the perfect solution.
Oh, yes, if you come next door, Mrs Hobbs, for Evie's birthday celebrations, you can practice your roller skating there.
Please, Mrs. Hobbs.
Go on, say yes. Why not?
Oh, yeah, you got it.
If I've got to learn new things, I got to start right now.
Can we listen to your music, please, Mrs Hobbs?
Yes, of course, Evie. Mr. Brooklyn Bell, you get the boombox.
Oh.
And Douglas, you bring George.
Yep, no problem.
Come on. Oh, let's disco.
Wait for me.
I think I'm getting the hang of this new hobby.
Yeah?
Even George is impressed.
Right, I think I'm ready for some birthday bopping. Yeah, come on. How about you, Mrs Hobbs?
Birthday bopping.
It's not a birthday without some birthday bopping at the pinata, Mrs Hobbs.
Yeah.
I can do that easy on my roller skates.
Evie, birthday girl, you get first bob.
Right. Whoa!
Oh, Waffle Bob! Waffle Bob!
Waffle, come on, boy.
Bob! Bob!
Good bopping, Waffle. Right, don't your turn.
I feel dizzy.
There's no time for that, Mrs Hobbs. It's your turn.
Waffle Bob again!
Watch it, Oh my goodness. That was fun.
Pinata treat time, everyone. Go for it.
Don't take all the biscuits, Waffle.
No, Miss.
These treats are disgusting. Who said these could be treats?
They're actually Waffle's dog treat biscuits, Mrs Hobbs.
Oh, here, Waffle.
Yummy! Thanks, Hot Bobs.
But these are our treats, Mrs Hobbs, like this kazoo.
Hello, the Brooklyn Bells. I've let myself in.
Grams! It's birthday cake time.
Oh, nice helmet, Mrs Hobbs.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Evie. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray! What? Oh, goodness! Oh, goodness me!
Go on, blow out your candles, Evie.
Yeah, and make a wish. Oh! Well done.
Cake. Look at that.
Well done.
Mum, do you know what I wished for when I blew out my candles?
No. Would you like to tell me?
Yes. Well, I was thinking about my birth dad, and I wish that Nate would send me a birthday card.
That's a really lovely thing to wish for, Evie.
But I don't think he did.
Well, you know, I think Nate was planning to send you one.
How do you know?
So when you asked about Nate a while ago, that's it. Simon and I decided to track him down and tell him all about you.
Really? Did you tell him the actual date of my birthday?
I certainly did.
And he said he would send a card.
Yeah. I'm sure it's on its way. He asked for our address. Look, remember, Nate lives really far away, in a different country, the United States of America. So maybe it's just taking its time to get here.
Or maybe it got lost, and I'll never see it again.
Let's just wait and see.
Waffle, my Wonderdog, had been listening, and he knew where to find my missing birthday card.
Hey, Waffle.
Hi, Dad. There it is. Got it.
Got what?
Waffle found card.
What card?
This card.
Waffle must have found Evie's birthday card from Nate. Look, it's got an American stamp on it.
Oh, Waffle, where did you find it?
Doormat.
Good boy, Waffle. We must have missed it.
What would we do without you?
There's nothing else. Mum, there's a picture.
Oh, yeah. Well, this is Nate. Evie, this is your birth dad.
It says, "Dear Evie, I hope you had a fun birthday. I'm looking forward to meeting you. When's he going to meet me?
Well, we don't know, Evie, but Nate said that he had to come to the UK for work soon.
Yeah, maybe we could ask him to come for a visit.
Yes, please. Doug.
Yeah?
Come look at a picture of my birthday, Nate.
Okay.
Is that him?
Yeah, he looks nice.
Everybody together.
I know.
And that was how my best birthday ever got even better.
Everybody!
Waffle!